Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
US spot Bitcoin ETFs extended their streak and pushed total cumulative inflows to $46.04 billion. The run of inflows began on June the 9th and has now absorbed over $1.8 billion in capital, continuing despite escalating geopolitical tensions, including renewed conflict between Iran and Israel. Airbus struck a deal to sell up to 150 single-aisle aircraft to Vietnamese budget airline Vietjet, as the European plane maker continues to rack up business at the Paris Air Show. The deal is worth around $9.4 billion. Gold prices edged up as Iran-Israel tensions boosted safe haven demand, but a stronger dollar capped gains, while silver surged to a 13-year high. The US dollar index firmed 0.8%, making dollar-priced bullion more expensive for other currency holders.
The sterling dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial market.
Your trusted choice in online trading.